The tool I'm going to describe now is called Google Drawings, and Google Drawings I think is absolutely amazing. It's a little bit hard to find, so we're going to go up to our little tic-tac-toe board where we find all our Drive and Docs and Sheets, and I'm going to click on More because it's not showing up there. And then I'm going to click on the Even More from Google. And in this great big long list, if I scroll down towards the bottom, it will give me a list of all the products that Google offers, and in here is a little red icon called Drawings, and I'm going to click on that and just tell it to launch the app. Okay. So this is a Google drawing board. I get to title my document as I always do. You can see it's got a checkerboard background here, so that means that it's going to be a transparent background. And now I just go to work just explaining and drawing and making my tables and charts and things that I want. The cool thing I like about this is when I go and add a shape, so I'm going to create a shape right here, and it's a blue shape, and I can change the shape to pretty much whatever color I want. But when I double click on this, I get to type right inside the shape. It automatically, you know how if you've ever done this in a Word document, you have to create your shape and then you have to create the text box over type of it, and then you have to line it up. This does it for you. And I'm going to go in now and I'm going to insert another shape, but this time I'm going to do an arrow. So I'm going to draw myself an arrow over here, and I'm going to double click and I can type immediately in the arrow and type right over top of it. So this is great for flow charts or graphic organizers or things like that. Insert, let's do a circle, and again double click and I can type in my circle. Okay. It also has, I can draw some lines in here really quick to connect my points. It'll tell me kind of where it wants me to do. I can also insert text boxes. I can go and get an image, like I can go and get a Google image, or if I have an image on my hard drive or anywhere, and I can add the images right to the document as well. And the other cool feature about this is it still has the same Google Share features, so I can have kids work on this, multiple kids working on the same document, and then they can email it to me or share it to me. So they can create their own graphic organizers or their own flow charts or things like that, or they can work on a document at the same time I am. Like if I have this up on the smartboard and they have it on their computers, they can all work on the same document at the same time, which is pretty cool. I can do pretty much the same thing as I can with any other things. I can download it as an image or a PNG file or a PDF, any of those fun things. I can make copies of it so I can share it with kids, any of the other Google functions. But this is one of my favorite new tools that I'm really going to try to start incorporating into my classroom.